In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Microsoft Word document on your desktop without the read-only recommendation. This is particularly useful when you want to edit your saved documents freely without being reminded of the read-only status. So let's get started. First things first, assume you already have your Microsoft Word file open. This is the file you're looking to save in a different manner, particularly without any read-only restrictions. Once you've confirmed your document is ready to be saved, navigate to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar File tab there. Go ahead and click on it. This File tab is your gateway to numerous Word options. Today, we're focusing on saving options, but you can find everything from document properties to sharing features here. After you click on File, you'll see a drop-down list. From this list, select Save As. This option is essential when you want to save your document in a different location, format, or remove certain attributes like read-only. In our case, we'll be saving it to the desktop. By saving it on the desktop, you ensure easy access to the document whenever you need it. This is especially favorable if it's a file you're actively working on or need quick access to. Once you've clicked Save As, a Save dialog box will appear. Before you click the Save button, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the dialog box. You're going to notice a Tools button there. It's right beside the Save button. Clicking on Tools reveals extra settings related to your document saving preferences. These are options that many people overlook but are quite handy. From the drop-down, you'll see after clicking Tools, select General Options. This will open a sub-menu with several options. Among these, you'll find Read Only Recommended. It's typically checked by default, indicating that when others open the document, they're suggested to open it in read-only mode. What you want to do is uncheck the read-only recommended option. By doing this, you're customizing how the document will behave when opened. It will no longer prompt you or others to consider it as read-only. This move allows for direct editing without the need for additional confirmations or prompts. Now that you've unchecked the read-only recommendation, you're ready to proceed. Click OK to close the General Options submenu. Finally, return to your Save dialog and click the Save button. That's it. The document is now saved on your desktop without the read-only recommendation. And there you have it, an easy, efficient way to adjust the saving options for your Word documents. This little tweak ensures you have full editing ability whenever you open the document. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.